So hi there, this is me again, and this is the next video in the series where I'm trying to improve my communication skills. So today I don't have anything in particular, like any books to talk about because I'm reading one, so I have not finished it. And like I had to talk on something, so that's why I'm gonna talk on my habits, like what I actually do in my day nowadays. So for that I have like I'm tracking my habits since the past 2 months. So I started my habit tracker in December 2025, and in January also I'm doing one. And so yeah, so in December, like most of these things are like same in both months. A little bit might be different, but most of it are same. So for example, first thing in the morning I do is to list what I have to do in that day, like to-do list. That to-do list also, it is better to if you do the day before that, on the night of the day before. And I usually do in the morning, sometimes I don't, but most of the time I did during this 2 months. And January is about to finish, so yeah, so the first thing is to do list, and the second thing is prayer or meditation. So meditation is something that I usually tend to forget, but I have, like, my intention in 2026 is to do more of meditation, to be more mindful. So I have put that in my habit tracker as well, but most of the time I'm like forgetting. But whenever like I will remember, I do. So that is one more thing. Then one more thing is reading books. So that is something that I every day I do, and that is also in my habit tracker. And the next thing is journaling. So I have three types of journals. So one is for gratitude, one is for prompt, and one is for like daily diary sort of thing. So that these three I had in December. In this month I have only two, that is gratitude, and one more is the daily diary. So prompt is something that I had for 1 month. So from Pinterest I got a prompt journal where there is one question they have given. So we just have to answer that. So that I only did in December, and I did not continue in January. I could have, but I forgot. So now only I'm remembering. I wish I could have done that. So yeah, it's fine. So that thing, then gratitude. So in gratitude we can write in a day like what grateful things happen, or where you felt grateful, those journal. And daily diary is something that you can just write whatever on your mind, like whatever you did in that day. So that is the journaling thing. And the next thing is exercise. So exercise in December I used to uh, do in December, but in January I recently joined a dance club. So like dance class. So I'm not doing, but like I'm doing there. So as long as I'm doing anywhere, it's I'm doing. So yeah. And the next thing that I have in December is that video on communication. So my main goal was in December to improve my communication skills, and I think from YouTube videos we'll learn a lot. and and to be particular on communication, there are so many videos, and I used to watch, but not every day. I think some days I only watch, which I have marked here. So most of are like cross. So I think on some days I've watched only. And then and in December I used to post every day, like for half of the December. I used to post every day on Instagram, so that one I have. And then speaking practice. So speaking practice is something that we can say for this as well. And also with, I used to have speaking practice with ChatGPT. So that's what it is written, and that I think I maintain most of the day. So from here I went to home, so that's why I did not maintain this part. But up to here it's kind of little like more consistent, we can say. And then one more thing that I've written is less dumb scrolling on Instagram, less than 1 hour. So on Instagram, I think I used to have around 2 hours. I don't know what, like how the that time goes, but when I will see my time management thing on Instagram, I used to see that the average like 2.5 something. And from that I realized that I need to like less this, and for that I also set a timer on Instagram for 1 hour, and that what it is. So I have not I have not been consistent with that, I can see very well. And then next thing is I have written is eat clean. So I think most of the days I'm eating clean only. Some days may be there, but it's fine. Like in a month, 3 4 days is fine. So that's what I'm doing. And this is the December's habit tracker. And in January, I have in above all of this, I have add the video making that I'm doing, which hasn't been very consistent. As you can see, the blue ones are the one that I have not done. The red is the one that I have done. So here one is there, and here, and here, and here. So it's not very consistent. And the next thing is, so for January, my main goal was to learn about Buddhism or study about Buddhism. And in the book is also I'm reading uh, related to Buddhism only, so that I am consistent. As you can see, this red dot on the second line. But one more thing to learn about Buddhism is through YouTube or watching some videos or something. So that I've been not consistent with that. uh, I don't know, like I will not get time to watch, I guess. And then one more thing that I've added in my January is the watching Ladakhi news at 7 p.m., which is something that I should have been started very early. So this is great. Like I will know what is happening at my place or like everything. So yeah, it's great. I've started this one. And one more thing is the gratitude jar thing. So every day I'm writing on a sheet paper, and I'm putting in the pouch. So I still haven't got the jar. So when I will get the jar, I'll put all of it in the jar. But for now, I'm just writing on a sheet paper, and uh, writing what I'm writing is the something grateful happened on that day. So that what I'm writing. And and the dance class is something that I've added on the last line, and I've been consistent with this. And what else? Okay, so the sleeping early thing is not happening only. So this thing I have been trying from December to sleep early, but somehow it doesn't happen. Somehow, I don't know, it clocks 11 or 12. So yeah, let's see. I need to work on it. I will. And yeah. And what else is there that okay, no gadget before bed. That is before 1 hour of bed. And that also I've been consistent on some days. Then see, oh my gosh, I need to work on this as well. And yeah, these are the things that I have in my habit tracker, which on some things I'm very consistent, like reading books or this gratitude jar or eating clean and dance class, everything I'm consistent. What I need to work on is the sleeping schedule, and then no gadgets before bed, and video making. Yeah, these are the things I really really need to work on. So yeah, that's what I'm sharing today, and thank you for watching, listening. So yeah.